Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live, guys. If you have a Kia or Hyundai with a 1.8 or 2.0 engine, guys, a new engine, and I think the GDI has some of that problems as well, you might develop an engine knock, guys. I mean, it sounds terrible under load. You'll be like ticking at first, then you start getting louder the more miles you drive it. And we just took ours apart today, okay? And we suspect it was a piston slap. We have the video that we made what the piston slap sounds like on auto repair, guys. And this is it, guys. Okay, check out now this piston. It's completely wore out on one side, and that's what it's supposed to look like. Okay, but it doesn't. So that piston was contacting, okay, the cylinder box, okay, the engine box, cylinder number 3. So check out the damage to cylinder number 3 now. Okay, all that is wore out, like really bad. You can definitely feel it with your finger. You can see how terribly bad it is. Okay, you can see all the scratches on the cylinder wall. That's really bad. Now cylinder number 2 is fine. Okay, you can see it has a little bit, but not much. Number 1 has a little bit more than number 2, but it's still not terribly bad. But number 3 is the one that had the piston slap. And when we got the piston at certain point, you could actually move the piston. Okay, and you could definitely feel the slap. Okay, number 4, this is cylinder number 4. It has just a little bit wear, but not bad at all. Not bad at all. But number 3 completely shot. So I tried to do some research, and what I found is that Hyundai and Kia, the pistons for some year, I don't remember which year, 2013 or something like that, the information I found was they will chip a little bit on the side. Okay, that coating will come off. It will get between the piston and the cylinder block. Okay, right here, between the cylinder wall. And that chip will cause that wear. That's one thing I found. Another is people say that the pistons are not designed good and they're too short, which lets the piston rock more back and forth and causes that engine slap, piston slap after a while, and engine knock. Ours has only 69,000 miles, so we'll be rebuilding the whole engine now. We will bore it out. We will install oversized pistons. So all that process will be filmed, guys, and we'll have it on Auto Repair, guys, as well. So if you need more information, it will be there. Hopefully, guys, the video is helpful to some of you if you're chasing that knock. It sounds like valve ticking, but it's more like you feel it more towards the crankshaft a little bit. You feel it kind of like right here. That's piston slap. People say it was a rod bearing. They were arguing with me, but it ended up being a piston slap. So sometimes it's really hard to say what exactly it is, and I wish it wasn't so bad, but unfortunately we have to remove the cylinder, the whole engine block. We'll have to bore it out and rebuild the whole engine. So thank you for watching, see you guys next time.